Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flat pry tool, a tape measure, and gloves before starting. Wear eye protection and a dust mask for safety. Turn off the HVAC fan power at the thermostat before you touch the vent cover. Inspect the vent face for visible screws or spring clips. Measure the grill opening in inches, for example 4 by 10 or 6 by 12, so you can buy a correct replacement size at the store. Remove any visible screws using a Phillips screwdriver and keep them for reuse. If screws are absent, compress spring clips by hand or gently pry with a flat tool to release the grill. Hold the vent face steady as you pull it away from the duct opening to avoid dropping debris inside. Clean the duct edges and vacuum dust and lint to improve airflow. Measure the depth from the wall to the grill face to ensure the new cover will sit flush. Align the new grill with the opening, making sure the airflow arrow or louvers point correctly. If the new cover uses screws, start each screw by hand to avoid cross-threading before final tightening. Use wall anchors for drywall if mounting holes do not line up with studs or if screws feel loose. Test the fit by lightly tapping the grill. Adjust clip tension or screw depth until flush with the wall. Turn the HVAC fan back on and verify even airflow.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.